joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Akilan from Zero Wings Aerospace. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience at Drone Expo and what products they are showcasing today. Hello,
Okay.
glad to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you for hosting us over here. It's been a great opportunity for us to be a part of this Drone Expo 2026.
That's
And
wonderful.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
yeah, sure, definitely. I myself, Akilan, the co-founder of Zero Wings Aerospace. So here along with my co-founder over there, I think he's a kind of camera shy person. Maybe like, so about our company. So we are an indigenous drone manufacturing company. We concentrate on two things. One is the industrial automation and the other one is the defense surveillance and weapon grade drones. So what are we specialized? So we have an in-house team, which is based out of NIT Tiruchi. I'm an alumni of National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. And then, yeah, I've worked in Amazon for almost 3 years as a solution architect, and I quit my job and started this company. So that's all about me and about my company.
That's wonderful. Do you have any hero product you are showcasing at Drone Expo?
Sorry, can you come
Do
on?
you have any hero product
Yeah,
you are showcasing at Drone Expo?
the USP you are asking.
I'm asking the hero product of your company.
Hero product.
Hero, the main one.
Yeah, the main character.
The main
Yes. That's where I'm about to say. We have something called drone in a box. Okay, it's called Zero Wings Aero Vault. Zero Wings Aero Vault is one of its own kind, which has been deployed in India for the first time. So it is not just a dog drone. It's of like useful for like multiple use cases, especially for surveillance. So people talk about automated drones. What is automated drones? You do the path planning, it does the job, and it comes back. Let's say I need a 8 or 10 or 24 hours of duty to do surveillance. How am I going to achieve that? Who is going to replace the battery even if it is going to be autonomous? If I want to operate the drone in a remote condition, how am I going to do that? That's where our solution is something called the Zero Wings Aero Vault. Okay, it's not going to come in the camera. Hopefully, you'll be able to see in later bits. So Zero Wings Aero Vault will be able to do two things. One is it will be able to replace your battery and it will keeping it charged. One thing is replaceable. Yeah, not just that. We are also providing you a compute solution. Why a compute solution? Let me be straight. So if I wanted to operate the drone on a very remote area where I'll not be able to get internet connection. When it comes to autonomousity, there are like two things. I need to identify the threat intrusion or object detection or whatever. For that, I need cloud processing for the AML models, which is going to take a lot of time. Via cloud. So the data needs to be sent to the cloud and it has to do the data processing and it has to do. But the problem is on remote areas, I'll not be able to get internet connections. So that's where this compute is going to have its own AML model. So the drone will be connected with the drone in box via RF. It will be able to give the continuous feed and the processing will happen over the box. And with the help of an Ethernet cable or an internet cable, you'll be able to get the data from this box to your base station or wherever you wanted to have the dashboard. All it needs is a power plug point. You switch it on, it's going to be a flying CCTV camera wherever without any human intervention. This is going to be the completely autonomous drone which we are looking forward in the future. This is going to be the future all in. Yeah, that's about our hero product.
Wonderful. Of yours. In your views, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from others? The USB. This time I'm asking the USB.
Oh, you wanted to know about the unique selling points of my company or the products. Yeah. Unique selling points, like we are into very diverse ways, actually. So the kind of products what we are working on is something very crazy. It's on in various grounds, actually. The drone in box is for complete autonomous. And then if you wanted to see the small little boy is a kamikaze drone. So what is so special about the kamikaze? It's a 40-kilometer range kamikaze drone. It goes till a distance of 40 kilometers, and it has the capability of bomb dropping. So kamikaze comes to the meaning of a suicide bomb. Yeah. If you wanted to go till a distance of 40 kilometers, it will act like a suicidal bomb or a kamikaze drone. Or if you have a range of 20 kilometers, it goes and drops the bomb and it comes back. That's the specialty, and it has a 20-kilometer range of RF connection. If you have line of sight, on your line of sight, you'll be able to achieve 20 kilometers. If you wanted to go beyond that, or if you are operating the drone on a very complex terrain, what you have to do is you are supposed to use something called the relay drone system. Like a tower, a drone will be going to a height of 1 kilometer. That will act as a temporary tower, which will communicate with this kamikaze drone and will do. now, okay, instead of saying USP, why am I saying? Whatever I said about the drone in box is something different, and whatever I'm talking about the kamikaze is different. We go into the extremes, so we deep dive into the core, and we go to the extreme, and we get the best solution out of it. That's one of our unique selling point. And we are also building drones for maritime surveillance, basically for Indian Navy, moving platform, vertical takeoff landing drone. That is also something very different. And take away all, we are also providing surveillance, like we are also providing drones for service for facade cleaning, as well as solar panel cleaning, as well as windmill cleaning. So we are also doing industrial automation. So we are also doing it as service. So with we are a team of 15. With the help of the team, we are able to understand everything a deep dive, and we are able to give the best out of it. That's all about our team, and that's our USP.
Sir. Coming on to my next question. Do you have any message you would like to convey to your visitors, customers, and individual coming to your booth?
Yeah, sure. We are a budding startup, so do visit us, look at us, like follow us. I wanted to see you guys explore our products, experience the product, and give us feedbacks and let us know. And also, we are here to understand the customer requirements. I'm a ex-Amazon employee. We have the principle of something called working backwards. We wanted to know the customer's requirement, and we will be improvising more. So do visit us and give us more feedbacks and requirements that will build up.
A great message, I would say. I hope you had a great experience at Drone Expo in Bangalore.
Yeah.
In September, we are bringing it to New Delhi.
Okay.
So, would you like to participate again?
Yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah, we are more excited to participate.
That's wonderful. Looking forward to see you again.
Hello. Thank you.